For this question, we are only to return the first character if it's equal to A, and the second character if it's equal to B, and we definitely return all the other characters. So we're going to start off by checking if the first character is equal to A, and the second character is equal to B. So we've got if str.charAt, index 0, which is the first character, is equal to A, and also if str.charAt, index 1, which is the second character, if that is equal to B. If that's the case, then we have to return the whole string, return str. And then we have else if str.charAt, index 0 is equal to A. So in this case, the second character doesn't equal to B. Then we are to return A, the first character, plus str.substring 2, which is everything from index 2. And then we have else if we do the same thing for the second character B, str.charAt, index 1 is equal to B. So we return str.substring. So this is going to return everything from index 1, which is the second character. And then we have else. So else, if all of those are not the case, then we return str.substring. And we return everything from index 2. And here is the solution.